Hello cherished viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Today the kind I will share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now share. No me notification bell no. So that when the video be up to one sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And if you say be oat porridge for breakfast, the Ghana style. Ubetimi aye for weight loss. Yes, start. Odi 1 cup oat ebegu adie mu. Uwie na de tuka kra de egu mu. We just wo for 5 minutes. Wodi ensuo agu saucepan ubeka wo mu. Na wodi asija so amana hu. Se ensuo ni hu pe na otu na wodi si wo na kohwe de egu mu na waka. Obenu mu sa ase de enya ba. Se wo kan na hwese mu aye thick mebra obetimi de nsu kakra ye de egu mu no wakoso ye de aka wo de salt kakra ye de aka ho. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Now the sugar and our honey egu mu. No one mixing it together. Aha no aye ready na watwe na wakosebe. If much as in the can I will share my video. Remember to subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like. When me notification bell no. Send me the video be beto a won sabeka. What the omo kae den aka ho. Uwo fruit abetimi de aka won e de edi se won penso a won fa de enka ho ti mi su strawberry. Even na me taste it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our healthy oatmeal recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.